here at Gimhae International Airport in Busan. So quite organized international airport talaga siya. Because this is the big difference compared with NAIA, because yung entrance wala na masyadong yung mga gwardiya, no, checking your ID, your documents, no. It creates delay sa pagpasok ng mga passengers. Anyway, kung security check kompleto, no, CCTV, pagpasok mo, the x-ray machines checking your equipment. So yan yung dapat mabago sa NAIA, no, yung pagpasok natin. No security guards checking yung documents, na photocopies naman pwede namang i-plagiarize. So this is entrance of Gimhae International Airport, no, malinis, maganda, very organized. Our flight is gabi pa, no? Today is mga 1 PM. So it will take us mga siguro mga 8 hours, no, waiting here, because we just checked out from our Airbnb. No, malinis, maganda. Hopefully we can also upgrade our airport to this standard. This is the flights, no? Ganda, no? Walang check out, mga gwardiya pa ba na check na ganyan. They just arrived, no? There are two girls.
Dito may photo studio. Photo studio din.
Sa photo ka pa, no? Sa departure. So yun yung mga departing flights. Wala pang mga, you know, almost all Korean airlines pala to. Korean Air, Jin Air, Jeju. Ano, impressed kayo sa airport ng Gimhae? Ito yung dapat mabago sa atin sa NAIA, oh. Yung check na kunwari dyan, oh. Delay pa.
Sa Philippines, ginagawa nilang tambayan yung airport, eh.
Saan?
They don't want na gawing tambayan yung airport sa Philippines. There's no other place to tambay.
Okay. May self photo pa dyan.